In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your handheld evaluation kit from Coapt. This is a unit designed to help a clinician evaluate a patient prior to submitting for insurance to test proof of concept. It's like our version of a myo tester. To request an evaluation kit, use our contact form through our website at coaptengineering.com or reach out to your local rep. After you open your evaluation kit, you'll see various components on the inside. The first is the handheld evaluation unit, which is where the Coapt controllers are stored and is how you can connect to the mobile app to train the virtual arm. Next, you'll have your EMG interface accessories. The first is this evaluation cuff. This is designed for a transradial user or perhaps a transhumeral if the circumference of their limb is suitable. Undo the Velcro, wrap it around the most muscular part of your patient's limb, and secure the strap tightly to make sure that all of your electrodes are making good contact. If the cuff is not suitable for your patient, you can utilize our snap-style electrodes with all 17 contacts, similar to the number of contacts that you would have in your definitive prosthesis. You utilize these with our temporary evaluation electrode stickers, which can be snapped on to each eyelet and placed individually on the patient's limb. When you're placing your snap-on electrodes, you want them between 3 and 6 centimeters apart, going along the muscle fiber. After you have your EMG interface connected, you'll connect to the evaluation kit. First, you'll remove the 3D printed cover, and then you'll connect the end of the EMG cable with the label facing down. Once you have it connected, you'll turn on your evaluation kit and you'll see an LED indicating it's powered on. After that, you're able to connect to the Coapt mobile app. For more information on how to use the mobile app, continue watching our mobile app video series.